How has gold performed versus other assets over the long term? If you do a simple Google search, you'll see some sort of analysis, some in favor of gold, some against gold. For example, over a 30-year period, stocks have outperformed gold, and gold and bonds have performed very similar to one another. However, over a 15-year period, gold has outperformed both stocks and bonds. So from 1990 to 2020, the 30-year period, the price in gold increased 360%. Over the same 30-year period, the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 991%. Great return. If we look instead over a 15-year period from 2005 to 2020, the price of gold has increased by 330%, roughly the same as over that 30-year period. Over that same 15 years, the Dow Jones increased by only 153%. But here's what's wrong with both of those analyses. Gold is one single asset. It is being compared to an entire asset class. Let's assume you invested $10,000 in Google, now known as Alphabet, back in 2004 when they went public. They were selling at $54.16. Today, 2021, you'd have $419,000, an astronomical figure. Let's compare that with gold. If you invested $10,000 back in 2004 when it was selling at $409, you'll have $41,000 worth of gold today. The Google stock obviously is an easy winner. But let's say you invested in Apache, an oil and gas exploration company, in the same year of 2004. They were selling at the same $50. How much will you have now? Apache's stock value would be worth $3,452. Yes, your investment would have lost about 70% of its value compared to the other investments we've discussed. And I can apply the same analysis to bonds and it would yield the same result. There's another fundamental error in the analysis. Stocks, bonds, and gold don't perform the same role in your portfolio. I'm gonna sound like a broken record, but really I don't care. I need to say this. Everyone needs to diversify. You need to have different assets in your portfolio. Diversifying is like building a very strong and capable sports team. Each asset performs different roles within that sports team. Gold is a safe haven investment. It's a long-term investment that is meant to protect your assets. It has historically proven itself to thrive during economic downturns and stabilize during good economic times. So comparing gold with stocks or bonds is in fact like comparing apples to a fish. Here's the bottom line. As with any investment, it's important to consider the time frame of investing, the role of its asset, and what your end game is. So do you want to invest in gold right now?